In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Lucidchart. We'll create a clean highlighter style effect using a simple shape and a quick layering trick. This approach is great for calling attention to labels, headings, or keynotes without changing your font or layout. First, open your browser and head to lucidchart.com. Sign in if prompted, and once you're on your dashboard, you'll be ready to jump into your work. From there, open the file you want to edit by selecting it from your recent documents. This gets you right back into the canvas you were working on so you can highlight exactly where it matters. With your document open, add a rectangle shape. You can do this by dragging a rectangle from the Shapes panel onto the canvas, or by using the shape tools in the toolbar. Don't worry about the exact size yet, we'll fine-tune it in a moment. Next, place the rectangle directly over the text you want to emphasize. Drag it so it sits on top of the words you want to highlight. At this point, it will likely cover the text, which is expected. We'll fix the layering shortly. Now adjust the rectangle to match the text area. Use the corner and side handles to resize it so there's a little breathing room around the letters, similar to how a physical highlighter would look. If the rectangle has a border, you can remove or reduce the stroke so it feels more like a soft highlight rather than a boxed outline. Right-click on the rectangle to open the context menu. This will give you quick access to layout and styling controls without hunting through panels. From that menu, choose Arrange, then click Send Item Backward. This moves the rectangle behind your text so the words are visible on top. If it doesn't go back far enough on the first click, repeat Send Backward until the text is fully in front. You can also use the keyboard shortcuts for send backward if you prefer working quickly. Finally, add a color to your rectangle. Pick a light readable shade. Soft yellow, mint, or light blue works well. And if available, lower the opacity so the effect looks like a true highlighter. Make sure the text remains crisp and easy to read. Once you're happy with the look, you can copy and paste that rectangle to reuse the same highlight style elsewhere for consistent formatting across your document. And that's it. Clean, readable highlights in Lucidchart with just a rectangle and a quick arrange step.